So I've been working in the Syntropic gardens here at Krishna village with Tiago for about 4 months now, and it is the only gardening system that makes sense to me. By copying the rainforest, which is the second most abundant ecosystem in this world, on this planet, you can just create abundance and you can enrich the soil. You just get a lot more out of each garden bed that you would get if you would just plant lettuces or just plant broccoli. By planting them all together, we can just create abundance and grow more than anyone else in any other garden system I've seen so far. Everyone that comes to visit us that we're teaching about this system is just amazed by how much we can grow in just a short amount of time. And it's great to be outside the whole day and to get your hands into the soil and to harvest every day and to go to lunch and see everything that you've been harvesting and working on over the last weeks actually ending up on a plate, and to realize that everything that we're growing is enough to feed around 50 people every day.